Welcome back, Mac and PC Prime video, and today in this video I'm going to show Hackintosh will see how to fix this type of error that you might encounter when installing the NVIDIA Web Driver. Be very careful when installing this. You might end up with no image on your monitor, and you might even have to reinstall the operating system. Now open OC Auxiliary Tools and mount your ESP. After mounting your ESP, go to the OC folder. Then now open the config list in OCAD. After that, go to the Miscellaneous tab, then the Security section. Here, set the Secure Boot Model to Disabled, and then go to the NVRAM tab and select the last DUID here. Make the following changes. After making the changes, OC config, while saving the changes, and then eject the ESP and restart your system. While restarting, make sure to reset the NVRAM ones. After booting back, open the Open Core Patcher, and then click on the Post-Install Root Patch. From the Post-Install menu, click on Start Root Patching to begin the process and proceed with all the prompts. When you get the Restart option, quit the Open Core Patcher. Then click on Restart. We have successfully installed this. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.